Davaanям against Haджимурадов. Haджимурадов with a nice little outside single attempt there, but Davaanям catches him under control. Tries and takes him out, will only get a point for his efforts. Davaan there. Haджимурадов tried to hit with that outside single, and Davaanям with the heavy hip switched it on him, went behind. Didn't have the control though for the two. Haджимурадов was already back to his feet, hence why the push out was only the one, and a great arm drag straight to that low ankle again. And I'll tell you what, lightning quick on that outside single, done it twice now. Haджимурадов being put on the shot clock. Obviously, be on the back pedal with this offensive forward motion of Davaanям. He's been working really hard to get both his hands and feet simultaneously, really working on those shots. Shot clock, of course, if Haджимурадов doesn't score within the next 10 seconds, the point will go to the Mongolian wrestler here. Point there on the board. Davaanям paid well for his efforts. Working on that inside tie. Something he does really well is when gets that right inside and left on that underhook, and he can just dictate where his opponent goes. Decide, okay, is he going to move him left? He's going to move him right. Just small things that make a big difference, especially in matches like this. On mat A right now, going on Turkey against Korea. Davaanям going for that underhook attempt, and whenever Haджимурадов tries and escapes the underhook, Davaanям uses it as a good opportunity to go for that snap down, which really works. Takes him out of balance. Haджимурадov does that little snap down in the tie. If I'm Davaanям, I'm going to stay low and shoot it on that front ankle because he puts a lot of weight on it. The Kyrgyz wrestler. Blast double attempt there from Davaanям, trying to drive through him. He's going to posture up a little on the feet. Going to try and power his man to the outside and a push out, but it's Haджимурадov with the front headlock attempt. He's going to take him over the top. He'll be rewarded a minimum of 2 in that exchange, and you can see the Kyrgyz coaches looking at each other, deciding whether should we challenge or not, but left it for how it is. He is in front on criteria. As I was mentioning before, Davaanям with 2-1 points, and Haджимурадов with a 2-point takedown. Really nice head pinch there. Haджимурадов just being warned. Now he had the front headlock. He didn't have an arm in. He only had it around the throat. It's not allowed. You have to have the arm also in the headlock position. Referee not hearing the stop single, therefore the white block being thrown in. You've just seen on the live stream. Davaanям almost caught him. Really tight with the overhook. Goes for a cross body lock. He's going to try and go behind. Gets a 2. Then he'd been tighter. It would have been a 4. Haджимурадов working. He's got that leg ride on the left leg. He's going to try and jump over and get the turn. He's got the arm under control. He's going to work for the chin. Gets the turn on the 2 points. Just like that. Another 2 on the board. Haджимурадов did a great job letting his opponent turn to his stomach, and as he did, just exploded him back to the left. He had no support there. Referee stands him up, and what was a close contest, it's now a lot more of an uphill battle for Davaanям. He's got a lot of work to do. He's going to try and pull this off. Tries and goes for that head pinch, but Haджимурадов just the reversal for the 2, and he's going to try and go for the gut wrench on the outside. Gets it on the edge. And with that 2, technical superiority on the man from Kyrgyzstan. Икромжон Haджимурадов with the win. And a bronze medal taken back to Kyrgyzstan.